guys, I'm back, and today we are going to be doing my squishy collections. So the first squishy I have is this donut squishy. It is really soft, just not slow rising. But I like soft squishies. There's some white sprinkles on. Second one is this strawberry melon bread. And it is very soft and slow rising, and it smells like bread. And this is my favorite one. And the third one is this bread, and this is really soft and slow rising. Takes forever to rise. So that's that. Next is this white bun. And it doesn't smell like anything, but I like the smiley face. It's very soft and smooth. So that's that. And then I have this realistic melon bread. And it is very soft and slow rising. And it's scented. It smells like bread. It's so soft. So that's that. Then the last one that I have is this turtle bun. And I like the smiley face. It's very slow rising. And very textured too. And it smells like bread. So that's all for today, and that is my squishy collections, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave the comments down below that which is your favorite squishy. Do not forget to give a thumbs up. Bye!